Ethereum really is a highest-level mineable coin with the ticker ETH that has an in every practical sense present worth of $2,788.38 and a market capitalization of $335.067 $332,650 fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Digital currencies really have kind of lengthy past the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists and obscure sellers in an exceptionally significant way. These days, it's a resource class that in every practical sense is considerably managed and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Some very huge venture banks even basically gain Ethereum and really other digital forms of money all at once to explicitly safeguard their resources under administration, against the dashing expansion that injures the conventional monetary business sectors in opposition to mainstream thinking. Presently, now is the ideal time to especially uncover our short, mid, and essentially long-haul forecast of the advancements on the ETH market that depend on the readings of our fundamentally exceptional crypto unpredictability record that truly assists us with measuring the market opinion and truly expect where in which the market plans to go, which is genuinely critical. At this point, the cost of Ethereum explicitly is $2,788.38, while the coin rightness certainly winds up at second spot in the sort of in general positioning amazingly. The set essentially positioning most certainly is assessed based on the resources by and large present value that sort of is duplicated by its ongoing business sector capitalization, a recipe that is applied all through all monetary business sectors in a kind of enormous manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients in every practical sense get the most important information in regards to the presentation of computerized assets in their portfolios in an unpretentious way. It's likewise vital to consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure in its heading, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. On February 15, the cost of Ethereum by and large was at $2,777.90 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change sort of added up to 1.43%. 7 days prior, on February 9, ETH by and large was esteemed at $2,420.04, which especially intends that from that point forward the cost has sort of changed to 0%, which truly is very critical. A month prior, on January 16, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $2,587.69. In this way, the coin fundamentally has taken a 7.76% action to arrive at its essentially present standings in a sort of huge manner explicitly. Notwithstanding, as currently made sense of, the cost of Ethereum isn't the main especially factor that we basically consider while making the cost expectation, exhibiting that some truly huge speculation banks even truly secure Ethereum and truly other cryptographic forms of money altogether to safeguard their resources under administration, against the jogging expansion that disables the customary monetary business sectors, which sort of is genuinely critical. It's likewise critical to in a real sense watch out for changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to for the most part have an extremely clear perspective on where the market sort of is going, or so they thought. The examination of market capitalization basically conveys essentially equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and customary business sectors, showing how our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients get the most pertinent information with respect to the presentation of advanced assets in their portfolios. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology truly is utilized to decide the very generally position and prominence of computerized resources in stocks, for example. So presently, now is the ideal time to really uncover our short, mid, and certainly long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ETH market that generally depend on the readings of our extraordinary crypto unpredictability file that fundamentally assists us with checking the market opinion and sort of expect where in which the market means to go, or so they basically thought. Changes in market capitalization in every practical sense, positive or truly negative, essentially are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could in every way that really matters be going, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes, in both pretty short and genuinely long-haul points of view, in an exceptionally large manner. This by and large specific especially metric is likewise used to check the predominance of Ethereum corresponding to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation in an essentially significant manner. To decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of ETH, we entirely the circling supply, the boundary that will be generally made sense of later by the truly present worth of the digital currency under audit, or so they in a real sense thought. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum by and large stands at $335.067 $332,650, which shapes the reason for sort of present exceptionally positioning, especially was referenced before incredibly. Yesterday, on February 15, ETH really had a market capitalization of $333,813,029 761. Keep going week. On February 9, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to really was recorded at $290,841,122 733, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. A month prior, on January 16, the market worth of Ethereum by and large was surveyed to for the most part be $310,997,707 686. In a for the most part significant manner. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that sort of have previously been created by different means, for example, through mining. These digital currencies can fundamentally be utilized either for especially dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers, showing how in any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Ethereum isn't the possibly kind of factor that we essentially consider while making the cost expectation, exhibiting that some sort of huge speculation. Banks even get Ethereum and all things considered, other digital currencies as a group to safeguard their resources under administration, against the running expansion that disables the customary monetary business sectors in an unpretentious manner. This measurement likewise calculates the coins that in every practical sense have been eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which generally is applied to control the expansion rate, which in every way that really matters is very critical. At this point, the complete stockpile of Ethereum generally is laid out at 120,165,596 ETH in an unobtrusive manner. Finally, the circling supply sort of is utilized to fundamentally work out the market capitalization and by and large survey the coins especially current remaining in the positions in an especially huge way. It means the general measure of ETH that is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that essentially are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly really put unavailable for general use out of the blue in an unobtrusive manner. It's by and large generally accepted that digital currencies that fundamentally have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million are the most appropriate for sort of long-haul speculation, since they certainly are generally especially prone to in a real sense value in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. Lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. At this crossroads, Ethereum explicitly has a coursing supply of 120,165,596 coins, so keep going week. On February 9, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to generally was recorded at $290